Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn how to find mean by step deviation method. In the previous session, we learned how to find mean by direct method. There are three methods to find mean. The one, direct method, second, step deviation method, and third, assume mean method. Direct method already we have done, and today we are going to learn how to find the mean by step deviation method. Class, this is the question. Class interval will be given to you and frequency. Now class interval, it is 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60 and 60 to 80. Frequencies are 2, 5, 3 and 1. This question already we have solved in previous session by direct method. First step will be same. You have to find class mark. The class mark is denoted by xi. And how to find class mark? Lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. So 20 upon 2 it is 10. 60 upon 2 is 30. 100 upon 2 is 50 and 140 upon 2 it is 70. So these are the class marks. Now come on the formula first. To find mean by step deviation method, formula it is A plus summation Fi ui upon summation Fi into H. Now class, you can check, as in case of median and mode, we were having L here. L was lower limit. But in case of mean, there is no L, it is A. So now the question is, what is A here and what is Ui here? Because these two terms are new for you. We do not know what is A, we do not know what is Ui. Now to understand Ui, what we will be doing, we'll be writing 0 against any of the xi in the middle. बीच में किसी भी नंबर के आगे हम 0 लिख देंगे. उसके ऊपर -1, and if there are more class interval, then -2, -3, -4, and below 0 we'll be writing 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, what is this ui? I'll explain you after solving 2-3 questions. So the next step after finding the class mark, what you have to do, you have to write 0 against any of the number in the middle, preferably where the frequency is higher. So I can write 0 here also, I can write 0 here also. Here frequency is 5, which is more than 3, so I am preferring 0 here. Students will be getting same answer. अगर आप 0 यहाँ लिख करके सॉल्व करेंगे या 0 यहाँ लिख के सॉल्व करेंगे, आंसर वही आएगा. So writing 0 here, -1, and then just below +1, +2, this is your ui. After selecting 0, the next important step is you have to write here as A. जिसके भी आगे आप 0 लिखेंगे, उस क्लास मार्क को आप A से डिनोट कर देंगे and put it in the box. So your A is clear now. A is 30. A क्या है? वो क्लास मार्क है जिसके आगे आपने 0 लिखा है. Now, next step, multiply each f with ui. So, the first f is 2, first u it is -1. So, 2 into -1 is -2. 5 into 0 is 0. 3 into 1 is 3. And 1 into 2 is 2. Well, now add all these numbers. Adding means I have to add positive number separately, negative number separately, and then add these two. So 5 minus 2, that will be nothing but 3. And you can solve in this way also, that this -2 and +2 they get cancelled and we are remaining with 3. So it's your choice how to solve it. Main thing is you have to add all these numbers, and on adding we get it is 3. Now we know Fi ui, this is nothing but summation Fy Ui. I told you this summation means added. किसको ऐड करना है? Fy Ui को ऐड करना है. Now substitute the values. A already it is here 30 plus summation Fy Ui. What is summation Fy Ui? It is 3. Then sum of the frequency. Summation Fi means sum of the frequency, and on adding the sum of the frequency we get here 11. So summation Fi, it is 11 into H. What is H? H is the class size. Class size means upper limit minus lower limit, that is 60 minus 40, it is 20. Are you clear for this point? We got A, we got summation Fi Ui, we know H, substituting all these values in the formula. Now 3 into 20 is nothing but 60. So 60 upon 11. I'll suggest don't try to take LCM. Simply solve this part. This part is nothing but 5.45, and adding 30 in it, we get it as 35.45. So the mean of the given data by step deviation method, it is 35.45. As you have already solved it by direct method, you can check it. The same answer you are getting there also. So this is by step deviation method, that how to find mean. The answer, it is 35.45. I hope you are clear. Now class, the same question I am going to explain you by taking 0 at another place. Well, question is same, frequencies are here, class mark first step, that will be the same. Now instead of 0 taking here, I am taking against 50, and because I am taking against 50, so I will be writing A here. The next step, it was multiply each frequency with Ui. So 2 into minus 2, it is minus 4. 5 into minus 1, it is minus 5. 3 into 0 is 0. It will not be 3. 3 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1, it is 1. Now minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9, and adding 1 in it will be getting minus 8. Please take care of sign. It will be minus 8, not plus 8. Formula is same. A plus summation Fi Ui upon summation Fi into H. A, already we know it is 50. 50. Plus summation Fi Ui. This time summation Fi Ui is minus 8. And total of the frequency, it is 11. And class size, it is 20. So this becomes 50 minus 8 into 20, it is minus 160 upon 11. Again, I'll suggest don't try to take LCM. Solve this part. This part you'll be getting it as 14.45. So subtracting this from 50, the same answer 35.45 we are getting here, which we got in by the previous way. I hope you are clear for step deviation method. Thank you so much.